My Ocean is Blue by Darren Lebeuf. This is my ocean. And this is my ocean. My ocean is big. My ocean is small. My ocean is shallow. My ocean is deep. My ocean is slimy and sandy. And sparkly and dull. My ocean is dotted and spiraled. And wavy and straight. Sometimes my ocean is dry. Sometimes it's wet. Sometimes it's rotten. And sometimes it's fresh. My ocean splashes and crashes and echoes and squawks. My ocean laughs and hums. But at times it's silent. My ocean appears. And disappears. It bobs and skips and jumps and sinks. My ocean is blue, deep blue, quiet blue. Loud blue, endless blue. My ocean is also vibrant pink, rusted orange, faded white, balanced gray, runaway red, and polished green. But mostly it's blue. My ocean is always different. I wonder what my ocean will be tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Please like, share, and subscribe for more kids' story time.